Welcome to Beauty School. I'm your host, Stylist John. Make sure my camera is crystal clear. There we go. I'm your host, Stylist John, and today I'm talking about Short Hair Bootcamp. All right, Short Hair Bootcamp is a course designed to give you the basics by helping you with the foundational tools to help you to produce short hairstyles in a shorter amount of time, so that way you accelerate faster. There are core processes and core principles that will aid you as a stylist, barber, or braider that wants to do short hair. I myself went through cosmetology school twice, and then I went to barbering school, so I'm classified as a crossover into barbering, so I would be a barber stylist. I can do both. Okay, I'm also an educator. My goal and intention is to travel the world teaching classes, workshops, selling products, and also doing editorial photo shoots, working with models, music artists, moguls, business people, and helping to increase brand awareness for Fortune 500 companies as well as my own. Short Hair Bootcamp is a foundational tool that will aid you whether you are a short hair enthusiast at home, or you are a student fresh out of school wanting to learn the game, or you are a seasoned stylist and want to transition into short hair. These core principles are going to help you. Number one, doing a consultation. Consultations are key to understanding your client, because your client has hidden information where if you listen, you'll get a great result every time. When I first started doing short hair, I did what I wanted to do because I'm the creative. However, I had to learn that when you listen to the client will tell you various different things. The client will tell you various different things that will aid you in producing a great quality product. And once this great quality product is created, by replicating the system, you get the same result each and every time you do short hair. So I present to you the consultation. Consultations should last anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes. A consultation, the goal of the consultation is, number one, to listen and take notes. The client will tell you exactly what they need or want you to do. Okay? You need to listen and you need to take notes. And then, as you listen and take notes, while you're writing down, while you listen and taking notes, and while you're writing down the things that you need from the client will tell you what they need. The second thing that you need to do is you need to write out a prescription. The prescription that you write down